I'll Hey guys, Lucy here, coming at you with another video. I tried to make a video about this earlier. It was an unboxing of my Fairy Village garden set, whatever you want to call it, that I got from Dollar Tree. And you can actually order the whole set for $15 on the dollartree.com website. And I basically set this set out on my coffee bar, because usually I'll do like a themed village or a themed kind of set, knick-knacky kind of a set on my coffee bar around different seasons or holidays. So I have like a Halloween one and a Christmas one, but the video was not wanting to cooperate with me, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys the set while it was out. Now there are a couple of pieces in here that are not from the garden set I got from Dollar Tree. For example, this right here is actually a little bunny music box that I got from Goodwill, so it doesn't come with it. And then if we look on this side of the village, we've got this little teapot with a teacup, and it's Eastery themed, and I didn't get that from Dollar Tree either. I just kind of added that. So this is it all together on my coffee bar. It's like a cute, I think people put them in their garden, but I prefer to have it on the inside, and this is my coffee bar. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the set. It's pretty cool because you can get it for just $15, and you get like all the buildings and the little people and all the stuff. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications. Seriously guys, every subscriber matters to me so much. But y'all have a good one. Bye.